Amanda. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. In today's video, we have the test tube unboxing for January 2021. I will leave my test tube playlist link to watch previous unboxings, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and give this video a like. Let's get unboxing. Test tube beauty is $30 a month. You also pay for shipping, and each box retails for over $150. It primarily focuses more on skin and hair care, body care. Sometimes you might get some nail, makeup, or even other beauty items. There are two products outside of the tube. The first product is by ayyyeeeitsamanda. This is the Immune Plus Daily Wellness Capsules. For daily immune maintenance, take 3 capsules daily. For immediate immune support, take 3 capsules twice daily. That sounds like a lot. ayyyeeeitsamanda Immune Plus Daily Wellness harnesses the power of medicinal mushrooms and clinically studied Wellmune to help strengthen the body's immune response. For best results, use consistently throughout the year to help maintain immune readiness. I think we could all use some immune readiness due to COVID. Definitely interesting to receive in a tube. I always feel a little skeptical when I get products like this in a box, just because I don't know how my body's gonna react to it. I think we got some hum supplements and we got some powder collagen to try it as well. You know how Tati came out with Halo Beauty and everyone was expecting makeup or skincare? That's how I feel getting stuff like this in a box. It's nothing against it, it's just something that doesn't really interest me. I take my daily vitamins. I take B12, a green tea supplement, as well as airborne gummies. So something like this just hasn't been on my radar, but I guess worst case scenario, if I don't like it or I'm not seeing any results, I'll just stop using it, toss it, whatever. Next by Mighty Patch. This is the Micro Point for dark spots. I have heard a lot about Mighty Patch for acne. There's also like a TikTok hack of using band-aids for that. I kind of want to try that out. Been having really bad breakouts lately, but for dark spots, that is amazing. I have a really bad acne scar right here for picking at a cystic, so I wonder if this will help. Blemishes like to leave their marks. Yeah, no shit. Fights back with Micro Point for dark spots, a powerful post-blemish patch that uses 173 dissolving micropoints to deliver an advanced combo of brightening ingredients. It'll be like the pimple never happened. Directions: cleanse skin before applying this product. Apply the patch and press down for 15 to 30 seconds. Remove after 6 hours. So put it on at night, remove it in the morning. I get about 6 hours of sleep anyway, if I'm lucky. Definitely have to put this to the test and see. And then for my next trick, what is inside the tube? By Grande Cosmetics, we have the Grande Pop Plumping Liquid Blush. I have received their mascara, which I did not try because I can be sensitive. I did try their lipstick. It burned me. And then we got a plumping liquid highlighter, which I passed on, but I have been living for cream blush, even though I've only used Rare Beauties, which I love, obsessed with. Oh, this shade is pretty. I don't have many colors like this in my collection. Gotta say, it does sound a little weird that a blush would be plumping. I don't necessarily need my cheeks to look plump. I think it might just be because Grande is all about plumping, so that's probably why. I don't know. We'll swatch it and see. This is what the blush looks like. Ooh, this shade is so pretty. And this hot pink on this duo fiber brush is not even interfering. And this is what the blush looks like blended out. I can't hide it. I am so excited for this blush. It blended out so pretty and so effortless. Like a couple taps and boom, blended out. A little goes a long way. I think that's gonna be trendy in 2021, more cream products, because I think it plays in hand with like the illuminating dewy looks. Powder products tend to make you look a lot more matte, but this finish, oh bitch, that is so pretty. I can't wait, and now I'm intrigued on what other shades are in this line. Next by Eminence, this is a night cream for face and neck. The neck is an area that we all tend to forget. A lot is on this lid. Just gonna take a little bit, put it on top where the blush was. It is taking a little bit to soak in, which I'm not surprised. It is a thick cream. Oh, there's a strong scent. Whew. I don't know why I went in for a second whiff. I just hope that that scent won't be that prominent. It smells like flowers. It reminds me of spring. Oh wow, that softness though. I don't need this grass leaf floral scent though. That can just stay. I like how it feels on my hand. It doesn't leave any sticky or greasy residues as well. I can be sensitive to some scents. That's why I'm just a little worried about how prominent the scent is, how it's gonna react on my face. or my neck. Maybe on my neck it won't be that bad. I just don't want the scent to cause a headache. Next by 111 Skin, this is the Rose Gold Illuminating Eye Mask. Good old 111 Skin. I wish we got more than just one. Definitely feels like a filler product, but 111 Skin is bougie, so I can see why maybe they only put one in. But the cream that we just tried, it says 0.5 fluid ounces. It also says gift. Test tube used to be really good about including more full-size items, so I just think a couple more would have been nice. And I love under eye patches as well. I go through them quite quickly just because my under eyes are super dry. With 111 Skin being as pricey as it is, there is that expectation to see some results, which I will be sad if these are like really good that we only got one, and I don't think I would want to spend that full price because of how expensive it's gonna be. Hopefully BOXYCHARM or FabFitFun add-ons can come through with these if these end up being a win. Next by Dr. Dennis Gross, this is the Stress Rescue Super Serum. Since we didn't get much of the product, I just put a little tiny drop right there. Hard to get a feel with that tiny of a drop. Dr. Dennis Gross, it's another expensive brand. This very well could be a full size, but I feel like there could be a larger bottle. It's for AM and PM use. Apply as an all-over treatment on clean, dry skin, but it doesn't really say much about what exactly it's gonna target. Is it gonna target my dullness, redness, stress, acne, wrinkles? So a little bit more clarification on that would have been nice, because I am also super picky when it comes to serums. I am approaching more mature skin, so I'm trying to prevent any signs of aging that I have, on top of having breakouts and combating the dry skin. But this is a brand I've been wanting to try more from, but I have been really stoked to see this brand more and more in Test Tube Beauty. I think FabFitFun has also been including them as well, so it's great to try out products that way before spending the high dollar on them. I always want to call this brand Christopher Robin, but it's Christoph Robin. This is a cleansing mask. The goal of this product is for hair to be nourished, strengthened, and shiny, which I definitely need nourishing and strength. Directions: apply to wet hair, then emulsify the product 4 to 5 times by adding little by little some water. Oh, interesting. So just not bam water. Finish by rinsing thoroughly. For a deep care treatment, leave it on for 5 to 20 minutes. Definitely intrigued by this. There are no parabens, silicones, SLS, or colorants in here. This spray we also see a lot in FabFitFun. This last FabFitFun, I did add on one of the products. I can't remember. Maybe it was a mask, but it wasn't this one. So I can't really speak on my experience of the brand, but I really like how we got like a variety of skincare. We got one makeup item, supplements, and now a hair care product. So I definitely like the diverse products that we get in this box. And if you have been following my channel since August, I have been on my natural hair care journey. Today is ultra natural because there's no product in here. Took a shower, curled up in bed, and took a nap. Today was wash day. I was hoping for a good hair day, and now we got poof and frizz. I'm also really excited because we get 8.33 fluid ounces, so I feel like this is a decent sized mask. I didn't get a card in here, so I don't know how much any of this retails for. I have definitely been on a hair care kick lately, so I'm really excited how this works out for my hair. And then lastly, by John Masters Organic, this is a lip calm lip balm. I feel like because it's wintertime, colder weather, boxes are going to include a lot of lip products, because I just got one in BOXYCHARM as well, but I go through these very quickly. My Burt's Bees is about up, so this will definitely take its place and see. Lately about Test Tube Beauty, I have had some mixed emotions about it. I am excited for the products that we get, but for the serum and then the night and neck cream, I would like those to have been full size as opposed to deluxe size. In the past with Test Tube, all the products used to be full size, so I don't know what happened to get more deluxe sizes, and I'm sure those products are really expensive as well, but that's the appeal of a box like this. But we'll see, because I'm still very excited for all the products that we received and incorporate them in my routine. I would love to know if you guys get Test Tube Beauty. Did you get the same products as me? I didn't get a card, so I'm not sure if there were any variations to it. Did you guys get the same color blush that I did? I know I'm very excited for that product. It might be my favorite product that I got, but I'm also excited for the hair mask, eye patches, and serum. If you have tried the supplements, how was your experience with them? I know I'm still a little iffy on them. And are you excited for March's box? I almost forget that this box is bi-monthly. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.